Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi, and good morning, everyone. I don't know what's the time by your watch and in your country, but at my side it's morning and around 11 o'clock. The morning is bright and the birds are chirping around me, and it's a pleasant morning, and I'm enjoying it. In my lockdown, I'm feeling fresh. So, my dear friends, this video is about Christmas decorations, and for all those lovers who love to do decorations on Christmas and feel excited about it, this video is surely gonna help you to make your own DIY decorations at your home with simple and with your free time. You can use your time to make these things, and with love and with devotions. So many people of you are perhaps thinking that isn't it too early to think about it and to do the decorations? But let me tell you that psychologists say that putting Christmas decorations up early makes you happier actually. There is a research on it, and the people ask questions that how early is too early to buy a Christmas tree and hang your stockings by the chimney with care actually. So, an unwritten rule tells us we are not supposed to decorate for Christmas at least until after Thanksgiving has passed. But in fact, our research, a poll in 2015 found that more than 86% of people said that the entire month of November was too early to put up decorations. But personally, I saw people doing this. I saw people jamming out to this, and people saw so many. For example, one of my friends told me that she saw her mommy kissing Santa Claus by July. So normally she would say that she was the odd one out. So, however, science actually agrees with that person or with that friend, because in fact there's research that says not to put a time limit on when you can or can't decorate for Christmas. By religion, I'm not a Christian and I'm a Muslim, but it is for those who are Christians and who are excited about their religion and to do decorations for Christmas, because we respect every religion in the world and we should do so. There are a lot of reasons you should put your Christmas decorations up early, and for one, doing so can actually make you a happier person. Christmas decorations stir up feelings of pure joy and can literally modify some happy hormones in your body, and it creates the neurological shift that can produce happiness, and it is said by a psychologist. And Christmas decorations will actually spike the dopamine feel good hormone, they say. And but why is this? We tend to associate feelings of Christmas with happy parts of our past. After all, Christmas is one of the happiest times for the people, for a lot of kiddos, presents, Santa Claus, cookies, and it's every kid's dream in their families. So it can remind the adults of all those happy childhood memories also. The holiday season stirs up a sense of nostalgia, and nostalgia, helps link people to their personal past, and it helps people understand their identity. So says Amy Morin, a psychotherapist and an author of 13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do. He says that for many, putting up Christmas decorations early is a way for them to reconnect with their childhoods. And when we reconnect with our childhood, it becomes a source of happiness for us. We feel so delighted. So there are so many ideas on your screens. You can go for them with simply crocheting. And this video is also gonna help you with the wall hangings. For example, these crochet wall hangings you can see are so cute and so beautiful. You can also decorate your house with all these things. You can make these kind of hangings for your doors, for your walls, and these would look so pretty. And this video making is so early for so many people, but look at this and rethink about it, reevaluate the things. And now you have a plenty of free time. Now you can make these things with a pure heart and with so much of devotion, because when we go for jobs and some professional duties are here for us, or something The life is in a so hustle and bustle way, the days when there is no lockdown. So now you are having a plenty of free time and you can go for the things with love what you are wishing for so many years or so months, many months, and so on. You can make these things with a relaxed and calm atmosphere and a relaxed mind peacefully without any hurry, without any rush. You are not in a hurry. You can go for these things whenever you want. You have a long period. So I wish that all of you stay happy and stay safe. And let me request all my friends, if you are here for the first time, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you may get my latest videos in future. I would be uploading so many things for your benefits that would giving you ideas about so many crochet things and all other lifestyles and dress styles. I am also trying to bring some beautiful hairstyles for you, and also some tutorials to make beautiful hairstyles. I hope you are liking all these things. If yes, please hit like and let me know in the comment section. So we were talking about Christmas decorations. You can make these kind of flowers with your own hands, and when you do something with your own hands, it is a sign of your pure devotion and pure love for that thing, or for that belief, or for that special event that you are making things for. You can make these kind of wall hangings and to actually decorate the tree, and these kind of rolled ones or round shaped hangings for your walls and to display anywhere. And these are so beautiful and so graceful, and these are going to give a different and a unique look to your decorations. Your kids would be loving it. You can even gift these to your near and dear ones. Thank you so